Hey, what's crack-a-lackin'? Welcome back to I Could Be Doing My Finals right now. And today, we're working on a prototype for something I'm going to do later this summer. It's a boat, and this one's made out of plastic containers. But when we actually do it this summer, I'm not going to spoil too much, but it's going to be made out of 55-gallon drums, those big blue ones. I'll put a picture here. Since I haven't done a video in a while, it's just been a couple shorts.
You're a bad man not doing videos anymore.
I wanted to get something out here. And I decided one day that I wanted to make a boat, so we're doing it. Okay, I don't have much else to say, so let's get screwing and doing. This part of the end here is pretty rotten, so I don't want to just put the whole thing in that and hope it holds.
Yeah, that's pretty rotten there.
So we'll see how far down we can scooch it. Because the other side's good. That side was sitting in oil in the garage.
That's a noisy thing going on there. What's cyclist? Ready then.
There you go.
Yeah! Let's get it started and hot. Let's get it.
Oh wait, we gotta cut this hole.
Oh!
Now we can put our feet there.
Do it. Do it now. Put your feet in it.
Okay. I need silence for this. To the pond. Good.
Yeah!
How do I put this in?
It's gonna be a big old splash. Oh. Oh. Yay. Alright, now you get in. Oh wait, put the thing down.
Yeah, this is our storage container. I'm not sure if we specified that.
Yeah, we kinda, it was
Like
an
a little tail.
afterthought.
You can wiggle its tail. Okay. Let's get the paddle out.
That's her paddle.
Let's get the me in.
Yeah, let's get the me in.
Okay, here you go.
Wow. Okay. Am I gonna get a good camera?
Is it just like my nose? Okay, we're going. Wee, this is so much fun.
Not a very strong paddle.
Let me get the wet over.
Oh, bouncing. Oh my gosh.
It's a decent paddle. What an experience. You know, you can like look at the pond and all that.
Oh.
Did you like that?
No. Because it feels like we're gonna tip. And you're gonna lose your nice camera battery.
Just the battery. We need a better paddle. We need a kayak paddle. This doesn't work.
Wait, Zach, we're in the same boat. Someone's peeing. Good one, Bernie.
That's not very cool.
It's pretty sturdy, man.
It's not very interesting. Get it, not. I said not.
Good one, Zach. Ew, Zach, you have to include this footage. It looks so gross.
Okay, it's been like 2 weeks. We got some paddles and we got some nails, so I can use this like a rowboat. Time to go. Already spiral on it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's gonna push off.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome, son.
I'm out. Coming back in. Whoa! Okay, that's the end of this video. Up here I got a 3D printed RC car I made, and right here 3D printed RC hovercraft. So that's the end of this video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe for more, and see ya.